After a car accident, one of the first questions that most people ask is, who's going to pay for my car? The answer is it depends on a few factors. Some of those factors are who was at fault, what kind of insurance do we have, do people have insurance? And so if the other party was at fault, then hopefully you can just go to their insurance and get this paid for. But sometimes that takes time. If they're, insurance companies are really slow sometimes to make a decision as to who's responsible. Sometimes they can't get a hold of their insured. Sometimes they want to arbitrate that decision, and so that can take months. And so if that's going on and you can't get the other side's insurance to pay for your car immediately, then a lot of times what we recommend is that you go to your own insurance if you have collision coverage and you have your insurance pay for it, because that's going to have, they're going to make sure that your car gets repaired, or if it's a total loss, that you get paid for the actual cash value of your car. And if you're using your own insurance, be aware that they're going to take out your deductible. And so if you have a $500 deductible or a $1,000 deductible, then that money is not going to be coming to you. But so the way that works is your insurance company will go to the other side's insurance company and get reimbursement from them. And when they do that, typically your deductible comes back to you. So if you had to pay out of pocket $500 or $1,000 for your deductible, then your insurance company will get that reimbursed, and then you'll get that check back in the mail. And so that can take time, and it's frustrating if you have to do that, but it's better than just sitting on your car and not getting it repaired, or just sitting on your claim for reimbursement if your car is a total loss. And so it's a good idea in some cases to just go through your own insurance and get that money coming in, or get those repairs started with your own insurance. Now, another problem is, what if the other side doesn't have insurance? Because that happens. And that again is a situation where you need to go with your own insurance company and just get things taken care of, and then you're probably out your deductible. Another question that people often ask is, well, what about a rental car? How am I going to get around? And a lot of times your own insurance will have rental coverage, and so you can get that started with your own insurance. If your insurance policy doesn't have rental or towing, then you can also look to the other side for that kind of coverage to see if they will be willing to provide a rental car. Now, how do lawyers come into this? Well, in our law firm, something that we do that a lot of other, especially the big boys with the TV commercials and the billboards, they won't help you with your property damage usually. In fact, in their contract, usually it says we won't help you with your property damage. But we do that if you hire us to help with your bodily injury claim, then we will always help you with your property damage. And so, if you feel like you're getting, you feel like you've been injured, and also you're getting kind of screwed over by insurance companies, whether that's your own or the other side's, a lot of times an injury attorney can really help you, because we've been through this many, many times, and we know how to help you navigate the property damage maze and get your car fixed or get your car paid for. And so that's a way that we can help you. So in summary, You know, who pays for your car depends on a lot of variables, and certainly we can help you at Lebaron&Jensen to figure that out.